Alright guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Samuel Joshua. If you are coming across my YouTube channel for the very first time, we talked about many importation, Alipay, procurement, and we talked about how much a very good way you can use to make money online. So in my previous video we talked about how you can create Klasha app, how you can fund it and using it to get your virtual card. So in today's tutorial I wanted to test my virtual card, my Klasha virtual card on my AliExpress, right? So I find this item a very new one. I think I like it for this price, 2,100, right? So this is AliExpress, and I said the first person to watch this video and the first person to comment, I'm going to be giving the item out to this guy. I've looked for different items and I think I only love this, and at least it's still affordable, right? And it's having a whole lot of review. We have over 3,673 people that have bought this item, and you've checked the review. And one thing I love about this item is free shipping. You can see it here. So let me just buy this item with my Klasha virtual card for you to see that this card is a very nice one. So I click on buy now. I've already I wanted to buy like 6 so I can share it with you guys. Let me just input 6. Okay, let me click done. Wow, this thing is not going. I wanted to buy as much as possible. I just love that airport. I love it. I don't know, let me click on it again. Oh, this is not going. They said I can only buy one. Okay, let me see if I can use this card to buy another thing, but let me just go for this item. And we have just $4, 4.74 cents. I've already choose my shipping address, and let me click on select payment method. I'm going to be using my bank card, so let me just add my bank card to this address. So my card number, let me come back to my Klasha app here. This is my Klasha app. Let me show the details. So let me put my pin and show my details. So I click on this. I've already copied this number, my card number. It ends with 0162. Let me go back to my Alipay, then input this card number here, then the card holder's name. There is no need for that. Let me just put my name, then the month and date, the expiring date. Let me just minimize, then go check the expiring date for this is okay. Let me copy it again. We have 31st of March 2024. Okay, March 2024. Okay, March 2024. Then the CVV, I have my CVV for this. Okay, so you can see that this is my card details right here, and I'm very sorry I need to cover some parts there. So I click on save and continue. You can use this card on, you can see that the card has already been added. It ends with 0162. Let's go and confirm it. You can see that we have 0162 here. So you can use this card on different payment methods. You can use it on VPay Fast. If you want me to use it on VPay Fast, just comment I want you to use it on VPay Fast as a test. Okay, so let me just click on pay now. Let me click on pay now. And even before we do that, I think I should show you my balance. Let me show you my balance, but let this page load first. Okay, they've deducted this to this. You can see that this payment has been successful, and you can see that I have my coupon used already. Now let me just collect my coin and go back to my Klasha app for you to see that this thing is working perfectly, guys. I've collected my coin. Okay, let's go back. You can see that the payment has been made right here. So let me just check my order. Let me click on check my order. You can see that we have this. Let me click on it. We have this, that this is the order number. everything we have here is it has been paid for. Let's go back to my Clash card. Let me refresh it. Let's refresh and see what we have. Okay, we have $5 left. You can see that this payment, let me see it. Okay, you can see that we have AliExpress London GB. You can see that this transaction was successful. $4.74. So this is how to use this card. I believe this card is working fine and it is perfectly okay. So in my next video I can just use it to pay for an ad. Okay, so let me just see if I can use it to pay for an advert before I even go. I think there won't be any need for that, right? So we have $5 points. Let me just stick around with my $5 and use it to buy something else. So that is how to make use of it, guys. Okay, so I'll see you guys in my next video.